Here's how to edit documents with the Unibinder 8.2 thermal binding machine. First, find and mark the page you need to remove by dog-earing the corners. Then just place the cover spine side down into the heating station. When the light turns green, locate the marked page and remove. If adding pages, slip those into the book next. Make sure the new pages align straight with the book block and are pressed all the way down into the spine. Now move the document to the crimping station. Once complete, move it to the cooling station and allow the glue to cool and dry completely. And that's it! With the Unibinder 8.2 thermal binding machine, it's not only easy to bind both hard and soft cover documents, but just as easy to fix errors in your finished books. For more information on the Unibinder 8.2, visit binding101.com or call the number on your screen.